name is Vomit the Pebble. We are the newest apprentices of Gobber at the Forge, so we're actually blacksmith apprentices. It's been a pretty long journey to get here. You know, we started out as dragon dung shovelers, which is also a very important job.
But now we're moving up in the world.
Yeah, we got a promotion.
And think about it, the last apprentice of Gobber became chief. So
yeah, so that means that we're next in line
we
to
could be
chief.
next. I'll take that pipeline.
We'll have a Berktastic day.
Fabulous.
Have a lot of good adventures.
Toothless, is that launcher ready yet? We've got wing gliders coming. Oops, can't have a wing glider with no wings. I hope nothing else goes wrong. Here it goes. With these wings, you'll soar over Berk just like a dragon, but even out the fishy afterstep. Oh, Toothless, you forgot the wings, which is a terrible vendor for that. We'll save you. Stay calm. Check out the sights on the way down. Hey, you found Berk's Chronicle nest. Yay! There's nothing alarming or horribly terrifying about that. Let's just keep moving. Dad, I was kidding. We need to get out of here. And there it is. Okay, This is why I love fun. That was some fancy flying we just showed off. You can join Toothless and me for a ride anytime. But just be aware, a lot of the dragon training around here is the dragon training us. Yeah, Toothless, quit.